And it's an oil leak on a transfer box. We've got a lot of 4x4s in at the moment. What's up guys, got this GLE. I'm going to have to try and sort out a transfer box oil leak. It was just serviced at Mercedes. They mentioned it's got a leak. I looked at it a few weeks ago. Can't remember. I think I just did a health check on it just to check it out. It's leaking from the transfer box. I think I know what it is. Going back in my days at Mercedes. Changed a few of them. There's a seal inside the gearbox. Transfer box. But I ain't going to know until I get the transfer box out. So let's get the transfer box out and have a little look inside. And fingers crossed, I got the right parts for the job. If not, I'll have to rebuild it, get it back another day. So, fine, that doesn't stop. My poor wife. She just, yeah, she can't keep up. Yeah, just a heads up, guys. If you want to book in with us, we're about a 4-week wait at the moment, so great. A lot for me to handle, so and a lot for my wife to handle. So yeah, be patient with her. She's doing the best she can. We're both doing the best we can. So yeah, we're getting there. But yeah, let's get you in. Let's get this transfer box out and see what's leaking. Cool. Huh? What? Nothing what? Every day for turkeys. See why I married her. Alright, get you down. You can see here, got a drip here. Also been coming around here. But if you check up here, it's all nice and dry around here. So it's obviously coming from in there somewhere. So let's get this box out and see what we find. Right, GLE transfer box. Let's get it out. Right, that's all drained out. I can put the drain plug back in with a new seal, new crush washer. Put that back in. And then we'll top it up afterwards. Torque it up to 25 Newton meters. Not that tight. White box. I'll just put the filling screw back in loosely for now. Because I've got to top that up anyway. Alright, put that back in. Right, let's get the box out. Always good to mark the prop shaft so it goes back in the same spot. Let's mark it here, and there, somewhere there. Yeah, let's do that. See that. Will my baby overdugger have the power? Let's see. No. Let's get big overdugger. Big overdugger. Let's go. Ah! The light has gone. Okay. Yeah, sometimes you just need the right tool for the job.
Turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to...
Might need a little persuasion to come off. Dental persuader. There we go. It's got a tap here. Tap, tap, taparoo. I think I'm going a bit crazy. Right, let's get the other prop off.
Give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be.
Take this exhaust clamp off. Ooh, nice spray, nice spray. Put a bit of nice spray on there. Or why I call it nice spray? It's noise. Noise.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that...
Oh yeah. Put that there. And all my other stuff. There's a bit more space. Oh, I can wing that back a bit. Let's take that out. And take the exhaust clamp sensor out. Give me a bit of space. I reckon we've got space. That's going to be interesting, but... yeah. Undo those, get a pumpy stand. Let's go.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
Get all the bolts out. That's going to be the fun part. Overall, bit of a bit to get to.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that...
We're going to go extension on extension on extension. Let's go.
What you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to...
And we're going socket, extension, wobbly, extension. Gotcha. Let's give that a go, shall we? I've just blinded myself, I can't see now. Bloody hell.
Never run. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Alright. Get a pumpy stand, make sure it doesn't fall on the floor. Let's get you round here.
So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think.
Get that. Oh, bloody lovely. Right. Wiggle, wiggle. Not quite wiggle, wiggle. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, sketchy. Right, I can be really easy with two people, but it's only me. Come on. Come on. Oh. Go. Right, I think we're there. Don't drop on the floor. Ooh. Get the heavy end. Heavy end. Get this in. Oh, God. Definitely would be better doing this with two people. There she blows. Whoa. Jesus. Damn it, do this with two people. Have a look up there. She's nice and dry up there. No leaks there.
In the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
You're happy with that, Shag? Happy with that?
Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you.
Let's go see if I can get my lovely wife to give me a lift in.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these.
Let's get you up there.
Ready?
I'm making some weird ass noises. Right. Okay. Somewhere. Right, lower that side down.
Okay.
Come on. Find the hole. Let go a bit.
Okay. You're on top of the
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Come on. Find it all. Well, pop that up a little bit. Oh, oh, my arms are going dead.
Okay. Wait, I'll hold it, you shake off.
There we go.
There you go.
Get it fully home. Lower that down a little bit. Beautiful, Bernard. Just hold on to it a second, please, darling.
Who's Bernard?
That's my middle name, isn't it? I'm allowed to say it. Oh,
What you named the car Bernard?
oh, that's not gonna work. Let's go to that other one, shall we? Keep holding it, darling. Don't let go. Don't let go. You'll be in trouble.
I'm slowly.
You can let go now.
Okay.
Thank you. You're the best. All right, back in. Let's get it all bolted back together. Fill it back up with oil. Clean it all off. Jobs are good. Let's go.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never.
All right, pump it all back in. We're all good. Let's chuck this in there.
Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Right, sweet. Another one sorted. Get this one gone. Running out of space. So that's good. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any tips from it or liked it, drop a comment, like, whatever you want to do. If you could subscribe to the channel, that would help us out massively. And hopefully we can get to some more interesting stuff like big builds, mods. That's the game plan. Whole idea of this channel is to get to engine builds and stuff like that. So if you could subscribe, we can bring you some cool stuff. But for now, I'll just show you how to fix cars. Easy-ish. That one was fairly straightforward, so it's not too bad. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.
Wow.
Feel